This is the elevator here at the Bloomingdale store at King of Prussia Mall in King of Prussia, Pennsylvania. It is a Westinghouse from 1981. I don't know if that lantern works or not. Yeah, it really would be nice if this thing had the dinner bell, wouldn't it?
But at least it lights up, though.
Oh yeah, it does light up.
There's a machine room.
Faraday alarm bell. Alright. Take it up to 3.
Motor time. Well, Dante, I gotta say, that was an epic motor. It's one of my favorites.
One? Yeah, we should take this thing for another ride.
Yep.
And there's the certificate. Ooh, look at the expiration date on that.
That is way overdue. Button goes down.
This has a bit of a different interior from the one at Willow Grove. Alright. Send it up to 3.
Trip, right?
Send it up to 3 one more time.
Alright. There's no door close button.
I know. Yeah, let's wait for the doors to close, see if we can get it to go idle.
Alright, here we go. Let's listen. 3, 2.
Whoa.
Again, that was an amazing motor. You can see this opens up into the furniture gallery.
Sounds like it's a little low on fluid. Alright.
Now, Dante, where would you like me to go?
Send it down to 1. We'll end it there.
Actually, let's go down to 2 and end the video.
Okay.
4,000 pound capacity, let's watch one go out. Here we are at 2.
This is not the most attractive carpet that I've ever seen.
Now, the reason why I like to end my video down here is because they still have the arrows in the up and down buttons.
Yeah. Well, you know, not every Westinghouse AE call button has an arrow on it.
And there it goes.
That'll
be it.